Hey, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of automotive excellence as we explore the best Toyota engines that have left an indelible mark on the industry. From the legendary 2JZ GTE to the nimble 3S GTE, we've got an exciting journey ahead. So buckle up and join us as we unravel the engineering marvels that power some of the most iconic rides on the road. Number 5, Toyota 2JZ GTE 3.0 L-Twin Turbo Inline 6. The 2JZ GTE is an automotive legend, powering the iconic Toyota Supra. Known for its robust construction, the inline 6 configuration provides a smooth power delivery. Enthusiasts admire its durability, making it a favorite for high-performance modifications. The twin-turbo setup contributes to its impressive power potential, making it a staple in the tuning community. Its legacy extends beyond its original production years, with many still seeking vehicles equipped with this engine for various applications, including drifting and drag racing. Number 4, Toyota 3S GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 4. The 3S GTE is a compact powerhouse featured in models like the Celica and MR2. Despite its smaller displacement, this turbocharged inline 4 engine punches above its weight, delivering strong power output. It earned its stripes in rally racing, showcasing both reliability and performance. The 3S GTE has become a favorite for enthusiasts who appreciate a balance of power and agility in a lightweight package. Number 3, Toyota 1JZ GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 6. Similar to the 2JZ GTE, the 1JZ GTE is renowned for its performance capabilities. It's often found in the Toyota Chaser and Mark II in Japan. Its combination of a relatively small displacement and a turbocharger results in a potent power plant. Number 2, Toyota 2GR-FE 3.5L V6. Moving into the realm of modern V6 engines, the 2GR-FE has powered a variety of Toyota and Lexus models. This engine is praised for its smooth performance and efficiency, striking a balance between power and fuel economy. Commonly found in vehicles like the Camry, Avalon, and Lexus RX, the 2GR-FE showcases Toyota's commitment to delivering reliable and refined power plants. Its technological advancements, such as dual VVT-i, contribute to its widespread adoption in both mainstream and luxury vehicles. Number 1, Toyota 1UZ-FE 4.0L V8. The 1UZ-F is a V8 engine that found fame in the Lexus LS400. Despite being an older design, its reputation for refinement, smooth power delivery, and reliability persists. Enthusiasts appreciate the 1UZ-FAE for engine swap projects, breathing new life into a variety of platforms. The sound and character of this V8, coupled with its adaptability, make it a sought-after choice for those seeking a balance between performance and elegance. And that concludes our deep dive into the best Toyota engines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow gearheads. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Which Toyota engine is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for riding along with us. Until next time, drive safe and may the road ahead be full of horsepower and adventure. See you in the next video.
Get ready to dive into the world of luxury and reliability with our top 10 most reliable used Porsches. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, these machines offer the perfect blend of performance and dependability. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman. Sleek, stylish, and boasting a performance that'll leave you breathless, this beauty is more than just a pretty face. With around 16 cubic feet of cargo space, it defies the odds of practicality for a sports car, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. But what about reliability? Well, according to consumer and expert reviews, the 2022 Cayman earns its stripes with a solid build quality and respectable dependability. So if you're in the market for a thrilling ride that doesn't compromise on reliability, the 718 Cayman might just be your perfect match. Number 2, 2013 Porsche Cayman. Next up, we have the 2013 Porsche Cayman, a powerhouse SUV that's as capable off-road as it is on the asphalt. Boasting a range of potent engines and a luxurious interior, the Cayman is the epitome of versatility. But what about its reliability? Well, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $1,231, according to RepairPal, and solid consumer ratings, the the 2013 Cayenne proves that it's more than just a pretty face. Number 3. 2018 Porsche Macan. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that handles like a sports car, look no further than the 2018 Porsche Macan. With its refined interior, improved infotainment system, and exhilarating performance, the Macan delivers a driving experience that's second to none. But what about reliability? Despite its turbocharged performance, the 2018 Macan boasts respectable reliability ratings, making it a solid choice for those seeking both thrills and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster. Now let's turn our attention to the 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster, a convertible sports car that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Despite initial skepticism from Porsche purists, the 718 Boxster has proven itself as a worthy successor to its predecessors. With excellent consumer ratings and a price range that won't break the bank, the 2021 Boxster is a compelling option for those seeking open-top thrills without compromising on reliability. Number 5. 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster. Continuing the legacy of its predecessors, the 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster combines performance with practicality in a sleek and stylish package. With its peppy engines, high-end amenities, and spacious seats, the 718 Boxster is more than just a weekend toy. It's a reliable companion for everyday adventures. So, if you're in the market for a convertible sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating, the 2018 Boxster ticks all the right boxes. Number 6. 2016 Porsche 911R. Prepare to be dazzled by the 2016 Porsche 911R, a special edition model that's sure to set your pulse racing. With its naturally aspirated engine and manual transmission, the 911R delivers a driving experience that's pure, unadulterated fun. And despite its rarity and high price tag, the 911R boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a worthy investment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 7. 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe. For purists who crave the thrill of the open road, the 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe delivers in spades. With its lightweight construction, sharp steering, and blistering performance, the Carrera T is a driver's car through and through. And with solid reliability ratings to boot, it's a sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 8. 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S. For those who demand nothing but the best, the 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S is in a league of its own. With its monstrous power, advanced technology, and impeccable build quality, the Turbo S is the ultimate expression of Porsche's engineering prowess. And with stellar reliability ratings, it's a supercar that's as reliable as it is breathtaking. Number 9. 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS. If speed is your drug of choice, the 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS is sure to satisfy your cravings. With its mind-boggling performance and track-focused design, the GT2 RS is a force to be reckoned with on the road and the track. And despite its extreme nature, it boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a supercar that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 10. 2015 Porsche 911. Last but certainly not least, we have the iconic 2015 Porsche 911, a legend in the world of sports cars. With its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and everyday usability, the 911 is the epitome of automotive excellence. And with solid reliability ratings, it's a sports car that's as reliable as it is thrilling to drive. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 most reliable Porsches to buy used. From the iconic 911 to the versatile Cayenne, these cars have earned their place in automotive history as trusted companions on the road. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.